we have created the Flying Tent. It's a complete redesign of what a hammock can be. You can use it with a mosquito net. If it starts raining, zip up the rain cover and you will find yourself relaxing in a waterproof floating tent. You can also set it up on the ground as a BV tent, or in case you really decide to walk on in the rain, you can easily convert the hammock into a fancy rain poncho. With this gear on your backpack, there are simply no more excuses for not enjoying the outdoors. We actually had to invent a completely new mechanism that didn't exist before. It even allowed us to apply for a patent, and it allows you to set up the tent in just around 7 seconds. At the same time, unlike most other tents, the Flying Tent fits into this tiny little bag and only weighs about 1 kilogram. This makes it to one of the smartest and lightest outdoor gears that you can possibly get. It consists of high quality waterproof materials, and it comes with all kinds of useful features that make your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable.
Introducing TRUNKTECH, the next generation of hammocks that departs from traditional parachute nylon in favor of a lighter, softer, and stronger microgrid ripstop material that can go and hang anywhere. Weighing just 15 ounces, TRUNKTECH hammocks hold 900 times their own weight and pack down twice as small as ordinary hammocks. That means you can go further, climb higher, and explore deeper without feeling weighed down. When it's time to hang, TRUNKTECH's 11 by 6 foot design offers extra room for lounging so you can spread out, unfurl, and open up to whatever's next. When we know there's something better out there just waiting to be discovered.
The Trillium XL is the largest hammock in the world, able to accommodate up to 6 people at a time. Constructed from Tentsile's heavy-duty PE black mesh and reinforced with 40 meters of seatbelt webbing, this unit comes with 5-ton ratchets and weighs in at 8.9 kilos, 19.5 pounds, with a load capacity of 550 kilos, 12,000 pounds.
Meet the Ninox Hammock. It's the next evolution of air camp. Ninox is the FlatLay hammock that allows you to sleep however you want and wherever you want with supreme comfort. To create this ultra flat lay, we started with the pattern of the hammock body. Rather than sewing up a rectangular piece of fabric like everyone else, we invented and perfected a wave-shaped pattern that naturally creates a space for your head and your feet, so you actually lay flat. Laying flat is just the beginning. To further increase the Ninox's comfort, we developed a new fabric known as Teflon 3. It feels silky smooth and cradles you with cloud-like softness. It's 20% lighter than our original Teflon fabric, yet it's incredibly strong. In fact, we tested it just to make sure. That's over 1,500 pounds. Next, we added a spacious insect shield to protect you from insects. The symmetric tie-outs at each corner give you the room to spread out and the freedom to lay in any direction. It's also removable, so you can enjoy that panoramic view. We've taken the complexity out of hammock camping and made the Ninox knotless and incredibly easy. It sets up in seconds, and the entire hammock weighs less than 22 ounces. Here's what other people are saying about the Ninox.
I'm pretty darn flat.
Thumbs up.
It's the flattest lay I've ever had in a hammock.
And this is comfortable. I could sleep this way every night.
Hi, I'm Spencer, and I want to show you the next step up in Clark hammocks. The NX250 was the best-selling hammock in Clark history and earned the respect of customers and publications all over the world. The NX270 takes everything that was good about the NX250 and adds even more convenience and utility. Before, the exterior pockets allowed some cold air to enter, limiting their ability to insulate. And since the pockets were accessed from the outside, you couldn't get to your gear without getting out of the hammock. The NX270 introduces an interior zipper on each side of the hammock, which gives you access to all your storage. Your extra clothes and other gear that you place in the pockets now act as more effective insulation. Organize the gear in the pockets without leaving the comfort of your sleeping bag. Best of all, now, even when a full underquilt is installed, you can still access all of your gear. You'll be surprised how easy it is to slip items into the pockets. Then, seal out the cold with a convenient zipper. The NX270 retains all of the versatility that you've come to expect from the NX series.
place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
hammock shelters on the market today left us feeling wet and miserable and offered minimal protection for our gear. We wanted to create something better, so we spent 3 years designing and testing prototypes that would eliminate each of the shortcomings we found in the typical hammock shelter. With our patent-pending aerodynamic design, the Nubé fully protects you and your gear from rain, wind, and insects.
The water barrier is a 40 denier silicone-impregnated ripstop nylon with 2 coats of silicone on each side, giving it superior waterproofing and strength. Sky hooks suspend the Nubé and create a platform for enhanced water shedding. 6 connection points anchor the Nubé to the ground and offer a spacious interior. The patent-pending closure sleeves seal around your hammock and prevent water from running down its suspension lines. An insect shield constructed out of no-seam mesh is attached to the rainfly and drops down under your hammock, fully encompassing the entire lower region. A full-length double zipper offers a spacious entrance to the Nubé and completely encloses you inside. We incorporated a gear storage system with a weight capacity of 200 pounds. The storage system keeps your gear clean and dry, allowing easy access to anything inside.
Your hammock, insect shield, and gear storage system can be rolled up and clipped back out of the way to allow you plenty of room to cook, eat, and have friends over. The entire 3-in-1 system will work with any camping hammock and can be packed down nice and tight into its small, lightweight compression bag.